Facebook page a little bit. We got a Facebook page. If y'all want to follow us, it's y'all see on this sign up here we got propped up. It's McMeans Brothers Music. If y'all want to give us a follow, we'd really appreciate it. Help us get our name out there and yeah, get us playing some more places and yeah, just get our name known. So if y'all would, we'd really appreciate it. And thank you much. Alright, Ty's gonna sing y'all another one. This is old 17 song. This is Old Train.
Old train, I can hear your whistle blow, and I won't be jumping on again. Old train, I've been everywhere you go, and I know what lies beyond each bend. Old train, each time you pass, rolling down the blast, and it seems I'm full of running. I hear you rush the wheels straight against the rail, they curl there to mine. I think I'll stay home. Old train some pass, older than blast, and it seems I'm close running. I hear you rush the wheels straight against the rail, they crowd there to mine. I think I'll stay home. Old train, I grew weary at the miles, and I miss the freedom that was mine. Old train, I don't think about those times that I'll smile your eyeball mine. Old train, each time you pass, older than a blast, and it seems I'm too old for running. I hear you rush the wheels straight against the rail, they crowd every mile. I think I'll stay long.